This is my indoor plant, and I found a lot of plant flies and gnats. That's very annoying, and I've been trying to get rid of it. I've used all the different things that I've found on the internet and none worked. This is what worked for me. This particular houseplant, my hibiscus, for some reason has so many flies on it. So I'm going to show you how I got rid of it. So I will be using the Glad wrap, the plastic wrap, and petroleum jelly. So let's begin. First of all, you take out the plastic wrap, average the piece that would cover the plant, tear it off, and then you proceed to just spread the petroleum jelly all the way on it. And this is so that when you cover the plant and they fly up, they will just stick to it and die. So you cover the entire plastic with the petroleum jelly. So now we take the plastic and we just cover the exposed soil. So there you go, we cover. Make sure that it's covering the entire pot, and we do it for all the sides. There it is. I've sealed around the entire pot with the plastic wrap so that they can't come out, and I will leave it like that for a few days to kill them. So when they try to fly up, they will just stick on to the petroleum jelly and then they will eventually die. And because I am not watering the plant, the eggs on top would not be able to germinate, so we wouldn't be getting new ones. Once we kill the old ones, you remove the topsoil, add a little bit of new soil, and then you water from the roots. So here's my plant, and as you can see, the plastic wrap that I put over it was to catch all of the gnats and the flies. So let's see how it worked. I will gently take it out. Let me remove it and we will take a look. And there, you can see how many of them is caught inside. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's still a few, so I'm going to leave it for a few more days. So I will remove the plastic wrap just so you can see how they're caught in it. And here it is. I'm sure you can see them all stuck on to the oil that I placed on the wrap. Here's a better view of it. You can see how they're all trapped onto the plastic. So that's how I got rid of my stupid flies, the plant flies, as they can be so annoying. So to water from the roots, you can invest in a water globe like the one I have holding here, where you fill the water, then you turn upside down and it slowly insert it into the plant at an angle, and it will slowly feed from the bottom up. So this is the plant globe for watering. So you can invest in this, or you can make your own, as I will show you coming up, using an empty water bottle as a recycling item. Today I'm making my own with a bottle of water. It's called recycling. So what you do is you just cut off the top of the bottle. Okay, cut off the top. cut the top of the bottle off, and then you take this off, take off the cover, and you put this into the soil and water through this. Let's demonstrate. So here I have my homemade self-watering bottle. You stick it into the soil. You may have to move around the roots a bit to make space. Just push it in the soil. This way, when you put the water in, it goes directly to the root and not on top, which keeps the top soil dry so the eggs don't hatch. So I'll go ahead and fill the water, and you just leave it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I filled it with water, and it still has water because it will slowly water only the roots. And that will get rid of all your flies because the topsoil is not getting the moisture to hatch the eggs. I hope this little demonstration helped you. Give it a try if you have those pesky plant flies just flying around. And I observed that this happened after I brought my plants in after the end of summer. Good luck on getting rid of your flies. Let me know if you try it and if it worked. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share this with everyone who has this issue, even your friends and family if they don't. See you next time. Best of luck.